Okay, now we've got another long. See what happens here. Visual pops up. Usually the visual will come up before the entry, but sometimes it doesn't. We tried working on that and can't quite get it, but it's fine. As long as your entry pops up and your visual comes up, it kind of lets you know. Our slippage messed us up on this. Our entry was down here, but we had some slippage right there. So there's, 1 point slippage, 4 ticks. And that's why these are off a little bit. Slippage will do that for you. So there's our first target, and our second target is coming up. So there is our second target. We're break even. We can't lose money on it. And as the super trend comes up, then it'll catch up to the break even and then start running. Again, you can always move your stop if you think it's going to keep coming back. You can even move it according, like when you have a pullback and then it starts taking off, you can grab that stop and put it right there if you want. I'm leaving mine untouched because I'm showing people what it'll do. Now, if I was trading this, I would have put my stop up there. All right, so we broke even on it. So we're $6,100. Pretty good day. That's only running 4 contracts. I mean, do the math if you want to make more. I mean, if you run 8 contracts, it wouldn't be double that because of your runners. It would depend on that. I don't think it would actually double. Maybe it would. Actually, I think it would double. There you go. We've had 1 losing trade. So we got 1, 2. This one here, you can see that it entered, but it did stop out, so it was showing a bad trade. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I missed one somewhere. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Had 9 trades, 1 loss. So pretty good odds. I'm gonna let this run. So if we run this on, see here, go into there. Go back to right here. This will show our analyzer, and it shows we're at 93%. That's where we are with this. I'm going to do a screenshot and post that in our Discord. 93% today. Doing pretty good. I'm real happy with this bot. We did have 1 losing trade of 926.32, and we could have limited that a little bit if we wanted. But pretty good. Profit factor 7.60. Excellent. So there we go. Having questions, let me know.